Guide to become a full stack developer. Who's a full stack developer? A full stack developer is an engineer who can handle all the work of databases, servers, systems engineering, and clients. Let's get into front-end technologies. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, Sass. Coming to cloud technologies, we have AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Backend technologies, Python, Java, Ruby. Next is DevOps. In this we have Docker, Ansible, Jenkins. Finally, databases, MySQL, Apache, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and do subscribe to our channel, New Tab Technologies. Don't forget to hit bell icon.